flip your world upside down to banish hiccups instantly. It might sound like something out of a quirky remedy book, but drinking water while bent over can reset your diaphragm in seconds. This peculiar trick works by jolting the diaphragm back into rhythm, stopping those annoying spasms that cause hiccups. Imagine bending forward, tilting that glass just right, and feeling the hiccups disappear, as if by magic. While it seems like an upside-down approach to solving a right-side-up problem, this method has been a go-to solution for generations. It's simple, safe, and requires nothing more than a glass of water and a bit of balance. Next time the hiccups strike, ditch the sugar and spoons and try this gravity-defying hack.